I'll show you the easiest money making methods that you can do, and this is perfect because I'm personally leaving for holidays, so we're gonna be generating money while we're gone. So the first item that we're gonna leave crafting is Beacon 5. It's gonna be almost 2 days here, but for that we're gonna need Beacon 4, Refined Mithril, and Plasma. Now the Beacon 4, I have actually completed making it, which we could technically sell for quite a bit of profit if the AH is obviously open, but hold on, but can we buy plasmas in the bazaar? I don't think so, right? So 40 refined mithril is gonna cost us 12 million, and I am pretty positive, yeah, plasma, damn, they would be on the AH. But not to worry, because there's plenty of other items that we could be getting instead. So right now we're gonna go ahead and buy instantly 95 of these yellow goblin eggs, and in total we have spent, I would say, 11.4 million maximum. And what we're gonna go ahead and make out of it is actually Sunnyside Goblin Omelette, and that we can potentially sell for almost 14 million, giving us a pretty decent profit. But indeed, most of the items are the best that require also us to buy something from the auction house, but the next one is pretty unique. So we're gonna go ahead and buy 16 of Enchanted Ender Pearls. Then we're gonna need 48 Flawed Ruby, which is about 12,000 coins. And then also 80 Find Ruby, which is the most expensive. That's gonna be about 1.5 million. And on top of that, we also require 50,000 coins because we're gonna be making Travel Scroll to the Crystal Hollows. And it's gonna be in here for quite a while. But that's what I like to see. I'm trying to find items that take the longest because obviously we're gonna be gone. And so most of these items, they require something off the AA. So I just saw that there's one which is pretty expensive to make. You would need 99 million for it. You're gonna need 99 blue goblin eggs and then also sapphire gemstone. And out of that, you could be actually making so much profit. That is insane. That would be about 16 million or 17 million even in just 17 or 18 hours. But I think I found something pretty decent, not that expensive. So we just spent 2.3 million on the treasure rights. And then we're gonna need a little bit of cobblestone as well, which we're gonna spend 145,000. So a little bit more than 2 million. And we are gonna be crafting a rock gemstone that we can potentially sell for 3.3 million. And that's gonna be also 19 or 20 hours. Of course, it is best to think of items that are in hot demand. And I think Refire, like golden plates are obviously always in demand, etc, etc. But for these, yeah, I think we would need to get something off the AH because I'm not gonna do any manual grind. Next up, we're gonna do something that we have done quite a few times recently, and this is by actually crafting a pet. And the pet that we're gonna craft today is gonna be Endermite, and if it's gonna be epic, we're gonna go ahead and drop it into the cat. Anyways, let's see what we're gonna get here. Is it gonna be legendary or epic? Or actually I should wear a superior set for better pet luck, but anyways, here, boom. Okay, so we got it as epic, and I'm pretty sure that legendary is quite valuable. Okay, so legendary would be about 2.9 million. I mean, the profit margins might not be the largest here, but let's see how much it would be. So we would spend another 800k. And honestly, I think it's quite worth it. Plus, it's 7 days, so perfect. Boom, there we go. Buy instantly. And here we go. Done. We'll be back soon. And of course, the minions will do the rest because, yeah, they are using lesser soul flow engine, meaning that they're going to be generating quite a bit of money. Plus, we still have Mayor Derpy, meaning that it's going to be double the minion output, which is quite nice. And recently, I found out that this minion setup here is actually valued over 500 million coins.